Today we're going to learn about reverse mortgages, so I'm joined by Kathy Muni of Flite Financial. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me on the show.
Of course. Well, let's get right to it. What exactly is a reverse mortgage?
Well, it's much like a cash-out refinance that many people have used to help with finances, but this is a safe, government-insured option for seniors 62 and over to help them tap into some of their housing wealth and put it to work for them. If they have a mortgage, it's going to be paid off, and there may be tax-free cash available at closing, a line of credit that grows and compounds annually, a monthly income stream, and maybe even a combination of all of those. If the folks don't have a mortgage, then it's just a real help to fund longevity in retirement.
Then how does one qualify?
The qualifications are super easy because it's a senior's loan tailored to seniors.
Right.
So one borrower has to be 62 or better, has to be on your primary residence, which could be a single family home, an FHA approved condo, townhome, 2 to 4 unit property if you live in one of the units, or even acreage. You should have about 30 to 60% equity in the property, depending on the age of the youngest borrower. And while there is a financial assessment, it's very easy. Oftentimes, Social Security is enough, and even bruised credit can be overcome. People who don't have a mortgage at all, it's just very beneficial to help fund longevity in retirement.
Okay, well, who is doing a reverse mortgage?
Well, a lot of people are house rich and cash poor.
Okay.
So I have clients that are on a fixed income. They see how the costs are rising and rising, and it's disturbing.
Right.
So when they do the reverse mortgage, they're able to eliminate their mortgage payment, and that often puts hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars back into their monthly budget. Then I have folks that don't have a mortgage or a very small mortgage. They can get cash at closing, have a line of credit, maybe even a monthly income stream. They can use that line of credit for emergencies or maybe set it up for long-term health care.
Okay.
And then I have clients that are worried about their financial resources. The market is so volatile now. By doing a reverse mortgage and putting a line of credit in place, they have a tax-free bucket of funds so they can let the other accounts grow and maybe last longer.
Well, then let's talk about some of the misconceptions. What are those?
Well, in the last 10 years, there have been so many changes that we now call it the new reverse mortgage because of all the consumer protection things that have been put in place. But one of the myths is that the bank owns the home.
Right.
That's just not true.
Okay.
Another is you can't sell and all your equity's gone instantly. Again, it's not true. And it used to be called the loan of last resort, but now financial planners are using it to help people in a strong plan.
Kathy, it sounds like you are so passionate and love what you do.
We do love what we do. People often overlook quality of life. Financial stress, strain, and worry is not healthy. Having the resources to help alleviate financial pressure each month and in the long term can lend itself to a healthier lifestyle. Another group of people we've helped are those who have no heirs. Their statement has been, well, why wouldn't I use some of my housing wealth to improve my life since there's no one I want to leave the house to? Bill and Ellen used a reverse mortgage to purchase an RV. So we've found that the reverse mortgage is a Swiss Army knife of financial solutions. It's so versatile and can be used in so many ways. It allows us to do what we love. We love changing lives.
Well, thank you so much for being with us today. If folks want to get in touch, how can they do that?
A reverse mortgage may be the right option for you. If you'd like more information and a no-pressure, no-obligation consult, call me, Kathy Muni, the most trusted name in senior lending, at 904-634-8899. Call today or visit our website at tffreverse.com. Of course, everyone with a reverse mortgage continues to pay property taxes, homeowners insurance, HOA if they have it, and they maintain the home.
Well, thank you again, Kathy.
Thank you for having me.
Of course. And if you'd like to see this segment again, just head to our website, firstcoastliving.net.